Hi everyone, Camille here from Coldwell Banker Pacific Realty. I am thrilled today to introduce you my new exclusive listing, which is a rare find. It's a beautiful wellness retreat center, turnkey and all ready to go. The setup is absolutely amazing and very practical, as we have the retreat center on one end, which is brand new, with 3 beautiful, unique, custom-made villas, which can host up to 10 people. We also have a fully professional kitchen and dining area for the restaurant area, a beautiful yoga shala, a rancho here where you can do aerial silk if you want by the beautiful pool, and the hot tub. Then on the second level of the property, you have an owner's home of 2 bedrooms and an additional casita of 1 bedroom, which is very convenient, so it's very versatile and you can do whatever you want. The property itself is almost 2 acres, which you still have half an acre to dream again and expand the property. We are so conveniently located here, very close from Tamarindo and very easy access from the main road. This place is very unique and a real turnkey, since it's been really thought through and also built with heart and the best intention in order to provide the real Costa Rican experience and self-care to our dear guests who visit the country. The place has a massage room, a cold plunge, a wonderful kitchen and dining, so you can run a restaurant. You also have some workers' rooms, so then you can do work exchange for people who come and help you out with the business. The whole place has been landscaped also with a lot of thoughts, so then here in the drought of Guanacaste, it feels very green, very lush. I'm not hot, there is plenty of shade, and then you enjoy the tropicals that you really want to see in Costa Rica. The main home, which is right now the owner's home, has a 2 bedroom, 2 bath and its own pool, and it's very private. You also have a 1 bedroom guest house with its private patio and a little backyard on the owner's home plot. Then in the retreat center, you have 2 bedroom, 2 bath villas with each one their own kitchen, and a bachelor style villa, which is a 1 bedroom also with its own kitchen. You could do anything here. Whether you want to do a wellness retreat, you can. If you want to do a boutique hotel, go for it. Then, long-term rental, Airbnb is also an option. You could rent out the whole place as well if you don't need to live on the premises. There is about 8,000 square feet built on the property. Again, you have half an acre of empty land to be even more so creative and expand. This turnkey property, ready to go, is listed as of now, June 2025, at $1.99 million. Price to sell. Come here, bring your suitcases and run your business instantly. To learn more about this incredible opportunity, please email me at the email you're going to see here appear magically below. And then really it's worth seeing, because then you will also be able to feel this wonderful vibe we have here.